Managing sitemaps manually is time-consuming and confusing. Store owners often struggle to organize products, collections, blogs, and pages in one place. Meet Sitemap Explorer, a smart Shopify app that makes sitemap management easy in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, install the app, and they automatically detects your store URLs. Just click Generate Report, and within 2 to 3 seconds, your complete sitemap report is ready, including products, collections, blogs, and pages. Step 2, Create Sitemap. Page want a well-organized sitemap page. Simply click Create Sitemap Page. In just a few seconds, your sitemap page is created automatically. Step 3, View and Use. Click Visit Page to view your sitemap. All your store pages, collections, blogs, and products appear in one place, with clickable links. Your sitemap page is also added to your online store under Pages, ready to use. With Sitemap Explorer, managing your store sitemap is fast, simple, and hassle-free.